cannot get this car done, which is actually true. Let's fix a small part today. What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog game. Matty here as always. If you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe. My goal to, in 2021, it's to get this channel to 10,000 subscribers. Today, if you guys remember, we put the headers on the Corvette, but I'm hearing a lot of rattling. Something it's not perfect yet, and I'll show you guys now what it is. Sorry for the mess, but I have the water pump sitting here because it's gonna get installed, and here's the thermostat too. So that's the next upgrade. But the thing is, I think it's missing is this plug. You guys see when we're gonna get it underneath of the car. I don't know if the plug we had to install the headers that came off while I was driving, or if we never put it. I don't remember. I even watched videos when we were installing, but I don't remember to say this, and I hope this is gonna fit. With that being said, let's get the car up in the air and try to fix this. One thing people were saying about the quick jack is so I should use jack stands with it, and I agree. But just to let you know, the jack stand has like a lock place. You see, it's not going anywhere. There's a locking place. You have like two stages. That's stage 1. That's stage 2. But I just want to share with that. So here's the X pipe. Here's the O2 sensor, right? And here you see there's a plug. I don't know why. Maybe a Z06 need this, whatever. But the plug we got is going right there. Of course, I'm gonna put some tread locker just to make sure this thing is not going anywhere. I'm just showing that fits. Let's put this bad boy in. Another thing I noticed, here's the O2 sensor extension, right? You see? Melted. Look. Because it was touching the header. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply this heat tape, which should help. I should have done this before, but hey, lessons learned. We are learning on the way. Thank God didn't melt the wires. So now I'm gonna protect, and I did the other one already, so I'm gonna put all the way on the back. It's not touching the headers. That's a good advice for if you want to do your headers. Woo, so much better now. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it, but the O2 sensor, it's here, see? And now we have so much room, because before me and Dave, we put it through here, it's definitely a mistake because it's gonna touch the header, and that's why I melted. I did the same with the other side. I tried to get as close as was possible from the firewall, and dude, now it looks cleaner. We put the plug, we fixed the O2 sensor, and now let's put this babe down and take for a test drive. Had a lot of drone on it. It still sounds good, and it's so much better, dude. It's like completely different. No rattling, like saying there was before. Love it. Of course, I need a tune, and I noticed in the last video that I need to speak louder because it's kind of it's not too loud here, but the camera pick it up really bad like audio. I'm here waiting for the car to warm it up, and the reason why I had to leave my house like this because my son was taking a nap. That's the bad part though. I can only imagine when it's show times. You know what I'm saying? Like that's gonna be really fun. My wife's gonna love it. I think what I like about these headers though, of course, first of all, is the price. You cannot go wrong with. Dude, I paid $400 for the entire set, the headers, X-pipe, all the brackets, the clamps, the gaskets, the head bolts, everything, the O2 extensions, $400. Dude, doesn't get any better than that. Of course, I spent another $100 on the wrapping, and the labor was free because, you know, it was me and Dave and Pete helping a little bit. But dude, for this kind of price, I don't think you can get a complete exhaust system for less than $1,000. And it screams. It screams, dude. I got it. Yeah, you know, and that's the thing. Like, you learn as you go. Like, you know, I made a mistake putting the O2 sensors, and that's the thing too, though. Don't rush doing stuff. Don't rush. You know what I'm saying? Go there. I think we did the right way. It took us an entire day to do, and then I went back to check like if everything was fine, everything was well, and thank the Lord was. I hope the camera pick it up though. Let's see a first gear pull here. I think it's like 26 degrees outside, so there's no traction at all. Now I can really feel like the difference. And here's the thing, I have a couple of things to do in the car, and maybe I'll hold until I get the tune, because I think it's worth to do a cam though. You know what I'm saying? Do a cam now and get rid of it, and don't open anything in the engine bay anymore. I think it would be the best idea. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think? See the check engine light is there. Definitely sounds better, as you can tell. I mean, you still can hear it a little bit, but not as bad at all. I think the camera will pick it up during idle. So far, the only thing she needs now is a bath. I'm driving this thing to make sure that everything's right all the time, and as you can tell, it's not the prettiest place here. The Jersey is too having no. I don't care. Cars are made to be driven. Look here. There. It's ice. It's freaking ice. I hope you guys enjoyed today's upload. As always, thanks so much for watching. Let me know what do you think, if I should do the cam or I should wait and just get tuned and do something else. And I need to share more about the plans, because dude, I'm so back and forth what I should do with the VAT, and I really want to know what do you guys think. As always, thanks so much for watching. If you're here for the first time, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next upload. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.